Before you set sail on your dream vacation with Aranui Cruises, there's an essential step you must complete: filling out the Aranui passenger information form. This document is crucial for ensuring your safety and comfort during the voyage. To begin, download the form from the Aranui website. Every section requires your attention, from your passport details to your pre- and post-cruise accommodations. Don't forget to provide an emergency contact. Accuracy is key, as this information is vital for your onboard experience. Aranui Cruises advises that while there's no age limit to travel, it's recommended that passengers be in good physical condition. It's important to note that the vessel does not have handicap facilities. Additionally, the cruise line reserves the right to refuse passage to anyone who may not be fit to travel or whose condition could affect their own safety, that of other passengers, or the vessel's operation. It's also important to understand that CPTM, the operator of Aranui, will not cover any hospital, medical, or evacuation expenses incurred during the cruise. That's why Far and Away Adventures strongly urges you to obtain the necessary insurance to cover medical issues, travel cancellations, or interruptions. For more information, please visit the travel insurance page on our website. Once you've completed and signed the form, you're one step closer to embarking on your Tahitian adventure. Explore more Tahiti cruises and get ready for an unforgettable experience with Aranui. Book with a Tahiti specialist at Far and Away Adventures.